So hey guys, welcome again to the channel. On this episode today, I want to tell you how to use your smartphone as a webcam. And the apps are going to be free to use and you can connect it to Zoom, Wider, OBS. You're going to see it now. Oh, by the way, I forget to this is the Android version, as well as this can work on the Apple version also. So many of us probably working from home. Well, not me, but I understand me. I'm only working from home, and it's becoming lots of us either using Zoom for work, either using programs which you'll need to use either webcam, either you go to school or either for work-wise, right? Also, you can even use this procedure if you want to do some streaming on Twitch, best using this, your smartphone. Many the smartphone real good at taking pictures as well as video, so why not use it for an next purpose. In addition, also forgot to tell you guys this part, but the apps in this video is going to be free and you could use it on your PC. So step one, go to the Play Store and you're going to be downloading IVCAM. Next, install IVCAM on your PC. Perfect. That's step two. Right, so we're midway. So while we're midway talking on this, you're not finished as yet. And now we won't get into that step now.
I'm ready! I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
So right guys, we're here at the studio and I want to talk about using the IVCAM. I'll say we're using as a webcam here. Can I connect to OBS or Zoom? Oh, I forget to tell you guys one thing. Currently, the unpaid version or the free version have the watermark you see in the video. Forgot to bring up this in video. Well, back again to the video. And you can see we're here. So we're currently live on the two cameras here, this one as well as this one here, and you see what's going on. So the quality is pretty decent, know what I mean? And use it for making your Zoom streaming and OBS. So I say, so guys, thanks again for watching. Much appreciated if you all passing through again today. If you're looking for any more tech reviews and things, be sure to comment down below. And most of all, stay safe, be cool, like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it was very interesting, or if you ever saw it before. Tell me if you have a next method. You know what I mean? How somebody say, I'm a tech YouTuber. Marty, I remember you said that. Inside joke. So have a good day and I'm gonna stop blabbering and laters.